Kijk daar hond waar zwemmen. Arme hond, hij zwemt al oor die pad.
Dit was nou net teen die rotse gewees. Absoluut in die rotse. Maar is nog steeds baie naby.
Well, good morning, the Dawny postscript. This might be the biggest swell I've ever seen in my life. The harbour is completely closed to shipping. Absolutely impossible. I do hope our NSRI are not called to go out to sea on a day like today. I don't think they'll make it over the bar at the back of the harbour wall. But that white water is stretching from the harbour wall the whole way through to Eastern Beach. This is one of the biggest swells I've seen in my life. And Orient Beach is going to be surfable today. There are some waves breaking at Orient. Ross Lindsay, where are you? Once surfed a session of a lifetime at Orient Beach. And that was real interesting. But there's a sandbar that's shutting down, closing our harbour out completely. There's something of a right-hander below O'Hagan's if you're mad in the head. Sort of toe-in surfable at O'Hagan's. Wisdom Wednesday says, stay out of the water unless you can get in at Miller's and P. And there are very few times in your life that you're going to be able to surf Orient Beach and it's going to be meaningful. Today's one of those days. And I'm going to the office. Ciao, later, bye.
Met geld en van die slagoffers se persoonlike besittings gevlug en in die paar se bakkie wat die volgende dag verlate aangetref is. Polisie-woordvoerder Adel Meiburg sê die 4 verdagtes is in die Mmabatho-omgewing aangekeer. 2 van hulle word met die moord verbind, terwyl die ander 2 met van die geroofde goedere betrap is. 'n Taakspan is saamgestel om die moorde te ondersoek. Meiburg sê nog inhegtenisnemings word verwag.
Reën, reën, reën. Mildelike reën val neer in die Kalahari in Appington. Hy het gisteraand begin reën, my fonteintjie loop al amper oor. Die paaie is onder water, dan hard dan sag, maar dit reën ongelooflik baie in Appington al van gisteraand af. Goeie blessings, baie seëninge, mildelike reën wat hierdie Kalahari nog nie in jare gesien het nie. Dankbaar.
Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Aqua. Aqua everywhere. Notre Dame.